Hello. Right then, a fantastic day today. Check this out, some really nice flowers coming up on their way. Spiders doing their things, I'll leave them alone. Right then, imagine if we just left nature alone, like every single one of us. But you don't want to hear my philosophical bulldust. Anyways, awesome Japanese temple bell bronze Buddhist. Now this one here is a smaller bell, made in the design of a large bell in Dazai-fu, which is in the outskirts. It's actually a city, a second city from Fukuoka, in the island of Kyushu in the west, which is where I am. So I'm not too far from Dazai-fu, relatively speaking, to where you are. Okay, so this is really cool. I want to go show you over here. Anyone that has time and interest in something like this will be interested in something like this, or at least has patience. Check this out. This has only just been done overnight. They do this on occasion, but I've never seen this particular flag arrangement. So there might be, as far as I know, they must be having, it's Golden Week now, so everyone is out and about. I can hear the motorcyclists doing their thing. Every man and his dog has a motorcycle today, and they're all out. I should be out on my bike. Anyways, so we have this awesome setup. So they must be having a festival or something. They're going to be doing something here. Could take my shoes off and head in there, but you guys want to see this bell. And they'll probably having some kind of get together here over the next few days. They'll open up the other room and they'll all be drinking a whole lot of sake, or as we often say, sake. And I can't go near that until June the 6th for the 1 year mission. Until the 1 year mission is complete, and then I think I just won't bother with it anyways. Right then. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about here. Brand new striker. This all comes complete. You've got your stand and the bell, and okay, and we did a test. We did a test on the bottom of this bell to see if it was actually authentically bronze. As you can see, we did the file test. So you just file just slightly into materials to find what it's actually, its composition. And here this tells us it's of the, I'll get to that, I've got my notes over there. As you can hear, yeah, it's a real deal bronze, and as you can hear, it has an excellent sound, excellent reverberation, and it's a great size. This is a great bargain for its size. It's really cool. It's ready to go. Okay, there you are, and I'll go to get back to it, back to the warehouse and get some work done. I'd prefer to be out there gallivanting around.